What is up, guys? And today I'm back with a brand new video. And today is this: the green Western Electric rotary phone from 1978. I'll show you. Wait a second. Gotta figure out how I should do this. Alright. Okay. Here you go. The loud switch. Focus camera. Okay, here's the loud switch, and it says 500 DM, and then it says 1078. So it was made 10 of 78, and it is by Pacific Telephone Company, not for sale, and it was purchased May 9th, 1983. I assume this was used or something, but I don't know. There's a little bit of erosion here, rust. I don't know what caused that, but it is in very good condition, despite these couple things. I'm going to show you. Okay. Oh, and I got my red rotary phone sitting here. Yeah. 419. And yeah, this one too. So yeah, the only things is that this moves, and the dial's the only thing that's like keeping it on. So yeah, despite that, and the bell not ringing as loud as it should, the bell still rings, it doesn't ring as loud as it should. And I thought that I took that off the dial last night, and I cleaned under here because it was dirty. I took the dial off on this one too. How you take off the dial is there's a little hole in between the 0 and the 9. Twist it all the way around, and stick a thumbtack in it, and then press it down while turning the dial as well, and then it will pop off. So yeah, I might do a more detailed video about that, but I don't know. So yeah, I thought I messed it up because I don't remember the finger wheel. I mean, I don't remember the finger stopper, this part going over the 0. I can feel the finger stop when I'm dialing 0. But then I figured out that I can on this one too. Yeah. So this was really dirty, and I did and like I cleaned it up really good. That wasn't my actual phone number, by the way. I don't know what that was or whose phone number that was, but yeah. Looks like it has some black stuff on here. Oh no. And if you're wondering why there's a paper towel, it's in such good condition that we just did that. I don't know. This one has a swapped out cord, and it's kind of faded. But yeah. this is a California area code, and this is like, I don't know what area code 612 is, but yeah, in really good condition. Western Electric. I only tried to get Western Electric things because I love Western Electric products. And you can see it better on there. Western Electric has such good quality. I know ITT, Stromberg Carlson, they're the same thing. But I just like Western Electric things. If I could find a Stromberg Carlson for a low price, I'd pick it up. But that's only at a thrift store or something. But yeah, and both of these do work. And this one's from 79. This one's from, wait, this one was refurbished in 79. This one was made in 78. And the dial went like as fast as this before. It went like this fast. But then I was moving it. I took off the dial and I cleaned under it. There was a bunch of dust. It moved certainly a lot faster than it did. And I love this thing. I still have to, I bought these off eBay, and I'm gonna still need to leave the seller. Both sellers good feedback. I can tell that this hardly has been used. Yeah, and the dial is still higher than it should be. Look at that. Whoops. Look at that compared to that. But it's way much better than it was. It's not falling off now or, yeah. Oh, rubber band. Found that on the ground. Set that up there. So, yeah, I think I made this video long enough. I'm gonna go plug this back into the X-Link. I might plug this in for a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with it, and then, yeah. And I just want to say there is some deep scratches on this side. But despite that, it's in very good condition. I got it for $15. I talked the seller down $10. I talked this seller down $5. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you want to, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.